Rakesh Arora now is joining us, an expert in the cement space. He's been talking about prospects of more consolidation, and clearly some of it is evidence coming in today. Rakesh, morning. Thanks for your time. Ultratech has finally bought out 23% of India Cements, though they call it still a financial investments. What do you make of this deal, and do you see more happen? Anything on radar? Prospect, buyout candidates?
So see, both Adani and Ultratech have been, trying to gain market share, and so consolidation in the cement industry has been, ongoing process now. Particularly in South India, there's been a lot of stress, and because of overcapacity and cement prices were not remunerative enough, so companies like India Cement were making losses. So it is a matter of time that these guys get consolidated by the larger players. Though I'm a little bit surprised by this deal, given that this is not Ultratech style. They normally go for a majority and a full consolidation. So we have to wait and see who is the seller. If the seller is a large shareholder in that India Cement, then probably it is an exit to him. But we have to wait and see. We need more details to really figure out why this has happened.
In fact, I think Radhakishan Damani was a large holder. If he may have sold out, it will be interesting to see. But I want to talk about the Grasim, Shree Cement, some of the big ones, Dalmias, and of course Ambuja ACC. Which side do you find more comfort in the strategy and numbers?
See, Ultratech is undoubtedly the number one, and they are a well-oiled machine. Not only they are the largest, but they are still growing at one of the fastest among the industry. Have good, cost efficiencies, etc. So Ultratech is by far the number one, and obviously Adanis are trying through Ambuja and ACC, and they have made two very good acquisitions, Sanghi and Penna Cement, which really fits into their plan of being the lowest cost producer. And so Ultratech is by far the number one, and Ambuja and ACC are a little bit of a distant number two.
Yoni as well is joining in from Sher Khan. Ronald, would you concur with this assessment, and what's your outlook on the back of a number of acquisitions by Ultratech? Now we understand at 267 a share, it's going to be India Cements.
Yeah, hi. Yeah. So yes, the financial investment which they have categorized, it's at a good value of little less than $65 per ton to about $63 per ton. Also, Ultratech's share, if you see in the southern region, the capacity share is 15%, and its share in the industry is just 11%. So it makes sense for Ultratech to increase its presence in southern region, which is the lowest until now in the whole all on a pan-India basis. So, but we need to see, if it goes for further increase in stake and controls the company, at what valuation if at all the acquisition is done for further stake buying. But the first step is very positive in terms of the value given to the company and their overall presence in the southern region. It would improve overall.
With assets largely in the south and northern region, just wanted to get a sense from you as to what you believe this could potentially mean for the entire cement space and the kind of consolidation that we're witnessing at large.
So consolidation is anyway, has been a positive or a key trigger for the cement space as a whole. And, if this consolidation of, such kind of capacities are undertaken, then it may, help in delay in some of the greenfield or brownfield expansions which these larger companies are planning. So in a way, the consolidation through larger capacities would help the overall industry, and also would help in terms of pricing discipline going forward. So yes, it's a very key positive trigger for the sector as a whole.
Ronald, just quick word. From here on, we all know what is happening in the cement space, valuations, etc., in the scenario. Which are the 2 or 3 most attractive names in your view?
Ultratech has been leading. Currently it's trading at more than 18 times EV to EBITDA on FY26 earnings. So, no, but still it's below its historical peak multiples. Apart from that, Sri is at discount to Ultratech, which used to trade at premium. So it has been a little bit laggard at around 14 times EV to EBITDA. And Dalmia, Aramco, JK Lakshmi Cement, these are ranging from 9 to 13 times EV to EBITDA multiples. So still, apart from Ultratech, other players, in our coverage space has to catch up on the valuation front. But it all depends, what kind of numbers they come up. But definitely there is room for upside or re-rating in multiples for these companies as well.
All right, gentlemen, going to let you go on that note. Thank you so much for joining in and sharing with us your thoughts on that news. Do remember the stocks are both in the spotlight in today's trading day on the back of that news of Ultratech Cement acquiring India Cement at 267 per share. There was a block deal that took place in India Cement as well. A 20% equity had traded. On that.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.